this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna ride the all night. Working the rhythm. I wanna ride the all night. Working the rhythm. I wanna
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for coming out. Great day, great cause. I thank everybody. We couldn't do it. This event couldn't happen without all you guys. This has become my favorite day of the year. So it means a lot to me. Troy will be driving in the fast group. Troy!
I'm spicy.
If the group is too fast for you, who's going to get to the final? Another group, okay? I just want to mention that. Also, when we pull out of here, because I already was spoken to this morning, we've got to go. We're not going far. We're only going to over there, but we got to go to 10 miles an hour. So I guess last year a lot of people sped going out the backside. So the guy came and found me this morning and let me know. Cheryl's leading the Sunday drivers group. Okay, she's over there in the red roadster, and she's got something special planned for you guys today. So, Shane.
Surprise.
Shane!
I didn't even know.
And then Manuela. But she's always late. She's got the blue clubman. Okay? When we pull out of here, when we leave here, Cheryl's group's going to be going first. Okay? Julian, raise your hand here, Julian, is going to drive down the side to stop traffic so we can all get out. Look to your left before pulling out, just in case there's any cars coming. And then Cheryl's going to try. What we want to do is try to get all these cars, and I'm not quite sure how many there is, but I think there's close to 90.
We need 100.
Huh?
We're close. 89. We're close
What do you
up
have,
there.
89? Okay,
I
that's
think
close
we're
to 90.
bigger.
That's close to 90.
Well,
So,
no.
89 is a good number. That's our second highest. Okay, so Julian's going to drive down, stop, so any traffic going that way is going to get bad, be behind Julian, but we'll all get out, and then we're going to try to keep tight to everybody so we don't get anybody cutting in between us. There isn't that many streets between here and New Hope, but let's try to do it. I did call the police in New Hope the other day. I know the chief of police put it on the calendar and said they would help us with the light as long as they didn't have any calls. So we'll see what happens. But I want to thank our sponsors. We got Wawa's, we got pretzels, we got subs when we get to the winery. There's a couple of them for me. The law firm that I work for, Helmer, Connolly & Castleman, they donated some good stuff. Chubby Pickle with Brian Jackson. They donated $2 gift cards. The law firm donated 4 airdrop wallets, which are very cool. Wendy and Mike Monaco, Wendy's Place, they donated 6 engraved sets of wine glasses. You probably saw them online. Minnie and Mount Laurel stepped to the plate this year. I've got, I think, 7 mini t-shirts, 3 sweatshirts and stuff from them, hoodies and a zip-up one. Autobahn Automotive with 2 oil changes, so, which is nice. Worko machine. Shane, that's the Flyers tickets and everything else. Nice.
Club seats.
What kind of seats?
They're club seats. Like, Cadillac Grill, everything. $500.
Sandcastle Winery with a couple bottles of wine. Yeah. Mikey the drone guy. There's 2 hoodie sweatshirts with his logo on it. Whalen Racing, they've got a strut bar. It's for R60 or R61. So if you happen to pick that. Sycamore Bar and Grill. Minnie's Diners and Drives. That's a Minnie's Diners and Drives t-shirts. There's a bunch of great raffle stuff. So we got something to look for when we get out of here. So the first stop is the winery. Okay. Now, when Cheryl's group goes through New Hope, if for some reason she's going to continue to go. Okay.
For anybody who has never rallied before, because I know there are a few people here who haven't, and for those who have, just remember, you want to keep enough space between you and the person in front of you, and if you see the person behind you falling behind, you got to fall behind the back also, so that everybody else can then do the same. Just try to keep that space. That's big.
Yeah. The radio station, if you're in Troy's group,
7. No sub-channel.
10.
Oh, gotta fix my radio.
10-0. 10-0.
Oh,
In
no.
my group, it's going to be 11.
We're 18.
11.
Shane is 18. We're 18.
Jane's running on 18.
I'm gonna run fast. She's not, but she's going first, so she'll be between the Sunday drivers and us.
I have a co-pilot.
That's good. I'm giving her my phone number.
Non-minis cut you off and beat them up. Then we go back to the line.
Cheryl.
Everybody's lined up. Tell them, man, well, you'll keep on. Set them up and rerun.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Just say you will, come through and
Crazy, right?
It's not even a bridge.
There we go.
Where'd the bridge go?
There it is. The next road's the fun road.
started.
It is my first time, and actually this is my car, but I thought my sister-in-law could drive it better. So.
That's your sister-in-law over there?
The one on the way.
Nice.
I've been feeling so. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?
Is that what, electric? Caesar.
Go fast, boys, baby.
Yes, sir.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you independent,
Good, not
98,
break
just
your car.
think you be good. Wonder about like baby, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain.
Yep, there.
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go ahead. Just one.
They have to be as loud as me.
Blue ticket 933092.
Yeah, good job.
993092. Now you get a